Hi guys. Welcome to the 4-Wheel TV channel. Support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the notification button. Thank you. Maserati has an exciting future ahead of it as the Italian automaker prepares to expand its range with the new Grecale crossover and electrify its entire product lineup within the next 4 years. Before then, however, Maserati's entry-level Ghibli sedan is also getting some significant changes. For 2022, the Ghibli lineup will be simplified to 4 trims: the GT, Modena Q4, and Trofeo. However, according to an order guide seen by Cars Direct, the 2022 Ghibli is getting a massive price increase by over $4,000 compared to 2021. With the base model being replaced with the GT, the 2022 Maserati Ghibli now starts at $76,200 excluding destination charges. This makes the Italian luxury sedan $4,010 more expensive than the 2021 model, which retailed for $72,190. The new base Ghibli GT is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 producing 345 horsepower, resulting in a 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of 5.5 seconds. As standard, buyers also get black painted brake calipers and a wireless charging pad for mobile devices. Splash out on optional extras, and the price can easily increase to over $82,000. Maserati offers a wealth of customization options for the 2022 Ghibli. Retailing for $6,500, an available GT Sport Nerissimo package adds an Alcantara headliner, sport pedals, aluminum paddle shifters, and 20-inch gloss black wheels. Pricing for the remaining trims has not been confirmed, however. Moving up the range, the Modena trim utilizes an upgraded version of Maserati's 3.0-liter V6 producing 424 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque. Other enhancements include black piano inserts and 20-inch wheels, while the Modena S gets red brake calipers included with the Nerissimo pack. Topping the range, the high-performance Ghibli Trofeo packs a more powerful 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8 rated at 580 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, rides on larger 21-inch wheels, and is lavished with carbon fiber trim.